what we're going to cover today. We're going to go over the difference between standard and stepwise forms. We're going to take a look at micro commitments and how we can use micro commitments to our advantage. We're going to look at how we can format your assessment. We're going to look at what not to do. We're going to look at the quality versus the quantity of leads. Now, this is huge. A lot of people who sell leads are like, yeah, I can deliver 150 leads a week or some, ridiculous number. But it doesn't matter because 90% of the leads they're generating are crap. I'm looking for quality. I don't really care about the quantity. In fact, I'll pay triple the price for a quality lead that will convert versus one that won't. So for me, the biggest importance is quality, not quantity. Quantity is a secondary factor. Of course, we can scale up, but quality is most important. We're going to go over why generating leads isn't the most important element for the business. It's the front end of the business, but that's not the most important. And we're going to go over some metrics and examples. And those of you who stick around till the very end of the presentation, I'll give you a special bonus. I know, you've heard that before, but truly, I'm going to actually give you a real special bonus. Let's go to the next one. So who's this for? So if you're a home service provider, if you're a lead broker, or you're an agency, or you're just trying to get your feet wet in the lead generation space, this is for you. So, and don't think this concept can be applied elsewhere, but primarily these are the three buckets of people, categories of industries that this would work for. And like I said, why would you want to stick around? Well, at the very end, I got a special bonus for you. I'll be sharing some, we'll call it secret sauce, if you will, just another way you can generate leads that may or may not be apparent to you right now. So let's go over who I am. Why would you want to listen to me? I'm going to be talking for the next hour, and why am I important to listen to? Well, you got my name. My name's Yuri Vilk. I started off as an affiliate manager years ago. I was part of an affiliate network that was one of the first in the industry, and it was very, very early on. I've also worked at various e-commerce companies, looking at how e-commerce companies generate revenue, how they generate traffic, and understanding how their conversion process is attained. I've also managed a mid-5-figure a day AdWords campaign. We were spending about $55,000 to $75,000 per day on AdWords. We were promoting a very interesting product, different than what you're thinking, but it was not e-commerce related. I also ran a 6-figure a month e-commerce store. That was just last year. And I ran hundreds of thousands through Facebook ads. So I do have actual data. I don't actually talk about things that I don't know. Everything that I talk about is something I've personally done or experienced. I've also built 5 to 6-figure product launches for clients. Worked with some of the top influencers, and we did some product launches for them, which was a lot of fun. And now I'm generating leads for solar installers. If you guys know anything about the solar industry, it's very high ticket. So when you are generating leads, you do want to select an industry that's more or less high ticket, something that will generate a lot of bang for your buck. So a lead can convert and generate big revenue, big ticket. That's really what we're looking for. All right, so get some prereqs. So first off, you need a Facebook business account. If you don't got one, easy. Go to business.facebook.com or facebook.com/ads, and you will be able to register a business account. Don't run this through your personal account, guys. Never run any ads through a personal account, because if that personal account gets banned, then you have no more accounts. Business accounts can be banned, and you can create a new one. You need some sort of a quiz builder software. I'll go over the list of softwares that I've used. There's lots of them out there. It could be anything from a simple form all the way to a full-blown assessment quiz. It is important to have a CRM. So this could be any CRM that you choose, whichever one you want to integrate into. I'll tell you my favorite at the end. It would be important to have a client. I always say, if you want to get into an industry, go get a client and then worry about fulfillment after you get your client. Because once you actually have proven that there's a need in the market, then you can find the fulfillment to accommodate that need. And of course, you want to have some industry knowledge, and this can come from your clients too. You can interview your client when you onboard them and talk about what it is that they need, their requirements, and what it is they're actually after. These sort of steps will allow you to understand the industry a lot better and ask better questions for their customers.